Oops, I wrote on my whiteboard with a Sharpie. How will I get rid of this? I'm going to write with my red Sharpie. And just to show you, that is my red Sharpie. And I'm going to write with my black Sharpie. And here we go. Scribbling, really. Now I'm going to take my eraser and try and erase my marks. And press as I will, they're there for good. I am going to take my blue dry erase marker. There we go. And I'm going to write on top of the red and then I'm going to take my eraser and that red marker is just about gone. Get a little bit of the blue. Now you can see that it is blue, but I want to get off the rest of that red. And it is like new. Black still won't come off because that's the Sharpie. But if I take my blue marker and write on top of that black Sharpie, and then my eraser, try a little bit more so that it's perfect. And erase. And voila. My whiteboard is like new again. There's a little spot there and a little spot there. And that Sharpie is gone. So how did that happen? How did a dry erase marker remove the Sharpie, which is permanent, from my whiteboard? Well, I know. Do you? If you think you know, put it in the comments below. I have one more tip for you Sharpie users. Have you ever left the cap off your Sharpie and then it dried up? No more Sharpie to write with? Well, if you dip your Sharpie into just a little bit of rubbing alcohol, just for a second or two, it'll bring your Sharpie back to life. Try it. Special shout out to Tanner. He gave me this tip about how to erase a Sharpie from a whiteboard. He doesn't know he gave me the tip, but he did. Thanks, Tanner.